everyone, Sue here. I just wanted to show you my Spirializer. I'm going to be making a Greek cucumber salad. So you take the European cucumbers that don't have a lot of seeds and you insert the spaghetti or fettuccine blade. I'm using the fettuccine blade on this. Oops, you're going to cut your cucumber to 4 inches. Put it on the prong, poke down, get a good firm grip, and then open palm works best, I find. And here, I'll turn it so you can see it. Consistent pressure down as you're going around, and you'll have beautiful spaghetti-like size cucumbers. I'm also going to show you how quickly you can do the onion as well on this. So I just wanted to do up a couple of, I got a couple that are too tall here. A couple cucumbers for you. So this has Greek salad dressing that we make with garlic, lemon juice, red wine vinegar, some oregano, and olive oil. And then we're going to use Kalamata olives and feta cheese and artichokes. So now I'm going to use our red onion. And I'm going to put the whole red onion right on here. And I'm actually going to take the blade out of the center. And I'm just going to use the regular blade. There's a blade that is already on there. It's called the ribbon blade. And watch how fast you can spiralize. Oops, turn it so you can see. Spiralize an onion. So maybe you're not as fast with a knife, but you're doing a lot of stir frying and you need some onions for that. This is the fastest way to do it. You can do an entire, and that was a really big onion. An entire red onion in about 30 seconds. And look at what you get. You get these long, long strands. So I'm going to make my salad tonight. I just wanted to show you a couple different tools in the process.